Just continuing on our descriptions of epic stories and tasks, we have two tasks in here. And in hindsight, actually, I'm thinking this one because we want to build the wireframes and we have our user stories in here. This is actually a story and it needs refining down into smaller tasks by the developers. So in order to change it, we would come and click on the issue and we would click here and then we can just change it back to a story like that. Now we're going to create another issue. Remember I said that work estimation is really, really tricky? Well, one thing that you might want to do is put in what we call a spike. A spike is a type of exploration enabler story type thing in Jira or in Agile. And it's a time boxed amount of time for you to say, okay, we're going to take, say, a day. We're going to take a day and we're going to explore this situation to try and understand it a bit better, to try and make a better prediction or estimate on what it is that we need to do in order to produce this task. So, for example, let's say that we don't actually know how to turn the phone into a radio receiver. We know it's possible, but we don't actually know exactly how to do that. So we need to put a task in to say, turn the phone into a radio receiver, but we can't really break it down into anything more specific until we know what it's going to take to do it. And we also don't know how long it's going to take either until we spent some time looking into what we need to do. So what we can do is we can write a spike, and I like to do this in capitals, just so that we can differentiate it. Okay, we've added that one in. Now let's have a look. This isn't something in a design epic, so we're going to have to create another epic at some point.